kendo tok jumbe ariyo. Wadhi kaunti ma Migori kama wayudo ni jatend migao ma thieth e kaunti ma Migori Mabel Chanzu ojiwo jodak e kauntino ma bende pok ondikore ni okumba ma thieth mano ma SHA mondo mi ondikre mondo giyud thieth e yo mayot. Chanzu wacho ni atamalo 42 ma jodak e kauntino ma Migori ema bende osendikre ne okumba no ma SHA.
We are at 42%, but we are requesting for everyone to register in SHA. SHA is very, very important for us. In fact, SHA is not like NIF that used to pick a few conditions to cover. SHA is covering everything. Every treatment you go and get in a facility, SHA is covering for us. So
omedo ni ogibidwaro mondo mi udini oganda e ute thieth e kauntino kalure ni oginyal chulo omenda mag thieth to SHA chiwo thuolo ne chudo makamago.
We are requesting everyone to register so that we can get these free services and then the government pays us back so that this money in turn is used to better the services in our facilities. So let people register. And we want to also commend our CHPs. Our CHPs are doing a very commendable job, and we are